Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to import images as planes in Blender. So, let's get started. First things first, let's delete the default cube. Just click on it and hit X to delete. Now, we need to enable an add-on to import images as planes. Go to Edit in the top menu, then Preferences. Head over to the Add-ons tab. And type Image in the search bar. You'll see Import/Export images as planes. Make sure to check this option, and don't forget to click Save Preferences. You can save by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines, and then clicking on the Save Preferences. With that done, we're ready to import our image. Press Add tab at the top left of the screen to bring up the Add menu. And then go to Image. And then select Images as planes. Navigate to where your image is stored. I'll grab mine from the desktop and place it as a plane in your scene. Now, if you want to see the image as it appears, click on the Viewport Shading or Render option on the right side. You'll be able to see your image as a plane in the scene. If you're using a ping, you'll notice it's transparent. If you want a full image, make sure to use a JPG or JPEG format. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.